Hey guys, I'm showing you this AQUAFIT insulated water bottle. It's a 64 ounce or the half gallon water bottle, stainless steel. This is a water bottle with the insulated and straw. So it comes in nice pack, and you can see the bottle itself is a nice quality, all the metal stainless steel bottle. And yep, you can keep the things hot or cold, whatever you want. And you can see it's a good size and have a handle, so it's easy to carry, and also have a handle on the top, so it's a sipper where you can just sip. There are the different attachments that comes with it. So there is a straw that you can use, and you can see inside is all insulated, so it can keep the things hot or cold based on the drink itself. And this is the other direct sipper one, that if you don't want the straw, you can use this attachment, or you can just pour in or other type of stuff. So it can be used as a straw lid, as a sports jug, or as a screw cap one. So this is the screw cap one, and this can be put like just to store. So it's a versatile design with a three-in-one lids, um, or three lids with it. So you can use it the way you want. So you can use it at home, work, or gym, wherever it can be. Easy to handle with this, or easy to handle with that career as well. It's a plight handle. It's all metal and very nice quality one. Um, yeah, it's a leak proof and stainless steel bottle.